Hey guys, I am super excited about today. Not only are we going to detail this engine bay, but I've got a giveaway from Super Clean. They saw the last video and they wanted to share some of the love with some of my subscribers. So make sure that you stay tuned to the end of the video to find out exactly how you can enter for your free stuff. Anyway, we're going to hop on this engine bay, try to make it look a little better. I think you'll like what we have in store. Stay tuned. Hey guys, John Engel here, and I've got some great news. Today we're going to fix that by installing a brand new double din. So today we're going to do an oil change and replace those. Alright, I think we have everything needed to go ahead and get started. Now I do want to mention a few things. One, if you look at the engine bay behind me, this is what I consider an honest engine bay. If you were to pop the hood and I looked at this, I can see exactly what's going on. I can see where leaks are, I can see where things have maybe had fluid on them, but it shows me and paints a very good picture of how this engine is doing. If I was to open the hood and everything is immaculate, the first thing that jumps to me is somebody's trying to hide something. So today what we're going to do is kind of in the middle. It's got a lot of plastic under here, and there's a lot of things that can be cleaned and it's going to look so much better without hiding all of the relevant information that you may want when looking under this hood. So this is not a concourse detail, this is just a quick and dirty, let's get this thing looking better. I noticed when my wife got her oil change last time that the engine was just looked like it had been used. So today we can go over what it's going to take to do a waterless quick detail of this engine bay. Let's get started. All right, here's a quick rundown of everything that we're going to use today. Obviously, we've got our Super Clean. It's going to spray on. It's going to be super simple. It foams up for you, makes it super easy to get off. The two things that you may not have thought of before, air compressor with an air nozzle just to blow off everything before we even get started. And then afterwards, it will help to make everything so that if there is any residue from the Super Clean or anything hasn't dried completely, this will help dry it. The other thing you may not have thought of, and I will put a link in my description, this is an 11-piece kit from Amazon, and it's got brushes even inside for the air vents that you can clean things out very nicely with, but these brushes here are going to be great underneath the hood to agitate any of that dirt and to get it away from some of the cracks. So between the brushes and the air, you should have just about everything that you need. Now, I do have two different styles of towel. One is just a terry cloth and one is a microfiber. Obviously, the terry cloth is going to be used to get all the initial dirt off, and this is kind of like the finishing buff and clean to make everything look beautiful. All right, so now that we've got everything, first thing that we're going to do is use the air nozzle and spray all of this off. Let's make a little dust. Now that everything is sufficiently blown off, you can use these little brushes and just go ahead and wipe things. And this will just get that first layer of dust off of there. So all we're trying to do at this point is to minimize the amount that this gets dirty and clogged up so that it can be as effective as possible. And to be honest, it does feel good. It's like painting, because you really can see where you painted. And the reason that the air gun and that these brushes work really well in the beginning is because there is no liquid on here to kind of hold that dirt. So it just makes it where it'll come off very easily. All right, now let's kind of dust it off. Everything's looking nice. Let's hit it with some Super Clean. Now my engine is cool. It's been off for about 3 or 4 hours. So I did want to make sure that happens. If your engine is hot, this will burn off very quickly because it does have aerosol in it. And then it can, lead to spotting. So you want to make sure that your engine is cool before you do this. Use my nice terry cloth. Look at that. That is the proof And look at this. 5 seconds. Such a big difference. I love this stuff. Now, not only are we going to use the Super Clean just on the plastic parts, but we're going to use it on this front cowl as well as the top of the hood. So you might be able to notice that that is pretty filthy. And this is going to also make short work of that. Super easy to do. It is amazing how just a little elbow grease can make this happen. So one of the other things that you can definitely use this brush for is anywhere in here where you have a place that's very hard to get the terry cloth into, trying to get my finger in there. As soon as you spray it, you can then use this to agitate it, and it will start to get it out on the edges by doing this. And then the terry cloth will get it completely clean. Such a difference already. Now that we've got it nice and super clean, we definitely want to use a little compressed air. Make sure everything's dry. Very final step, use that microfiber on any spots that you may see a little streaking, or if it's a little discolored or uneven, you just wipe around it. And it will make everything look like new again. Let's take a look. Okay, so this is not a concourse detail, but my goodness, 15 minutes worth of work, and the before and after speak for themselves. Super Clean does this so well, so quickly, so easily. You really do want some of this product. Now, speaking of wanting this product, they are teaming up with me and going to give one lucky subscriber a gift box of Super Clean products. To be entered in this giveaway, all you have to do is this: be a subscriber. Go ahead and make a comment on what you would use Super Clean for, and make sure that you like and share this video on any of the social media platforms. Once you've done that, you're entered to win, and we'll contact you directly, and they'll send you out a swag box of all the cool Super Clean products. The before and after is amazing. Super Clean does a great job of making such a daunting task very quick and very easy. Now, if you're here for the Super Clean giveaway, very simple. Be a subscriber, leave a comment on what you're going to use Super Clean for, and make sure to share and like this video. You can do that on any of the social media platforms that you want. So it's super easy to do. I can't thank Super Clean enough for reaching back out to me after the first video and wanting to continue this partnership. Anyway, I hope that you guys have enjoyed this. A super effective way to clean your engine bay with no water and in 15 minutes. All right, like, subscribe, leave me some comments. I'm giving away some product. Talk to you next time.